Not bad ending. We are noir.
What's up, beautiful people? So today I have a special tutorial for you. It is a K-pop inspired tutorial, and it is based on SUNMI's new song called Noir. And yeah, she has this look where she has hearts on her face, and I thought of doing, and she wears blue contact lenses, so I thought of doing something similar or something inspired. So it's not entirely identical, but it is inspired by her video. So I hope you guys enjoy. So first we're going to start with the base, and I'm going to use the Glow On Hydra base from Etude House to prep my skin. Next, I'm going to prep my lips with the Vaseline because I have allergies at the moment, so need to take care of that. For foundation, I'm going in with Etude House's new Double Lasting Serum Foundation. It's a new formula of my favorite double lasting foundation, and it's different because it's skincare makeup and I love it. For contour, I'm using Etude House's Duo Contour Play Stick 101 in number 6.
Now I am blind, I don't know why.
My eyebrows are a bit of a mess here, but I'm using the Etude House Drawing In Eyebrow Pencil in brown. For eyeshadow, I'm using two palettes. First is the Tartelette Flirt palette, and I'm using the color Gaze to go in all over my base. The next palette I'm using is Etude House's Caffeine Holic palette, and I'm first going in with the color Nutty Cloud in my crease.
I feel so high.
Next, going back in with the Tarte palette, I'm going to use the color Passion and just line it right above my eyeline. I'm also going to use the same color to line it underneath my eyes. I also use Playful in the corner of my eyes to just deepen my eyes. For the hearts, what I did is I cut out these heart, you can't see it, but I cut out heart stickers to stick on my cheek so that I can position them as to where they should be to imitate SUNMI's look. So they're of different sizes. They're of different sizes, and I'm just going to stick them randomly on my cheek with glitter after this. Yeah, you can't really see it, but I have essentially stickers on my cheek. I'm going to use a blending brush to pick up the color Touch here. The color Passion first. The color Touch first, and then use it as a blush. Use a blush brush to just kind of fade that out.
I've already seen this before. I feel so high.
This is kind of cute. I'm kind of into this. I'm a bit iffy, but I'm gonna use this glitter to, I don't know, to do something. For my lips, I'm using the Etude House Shine Chic Lip Lacquer in Misty Silhouette. I'm gonna go in with the Etude House Dual Wide Eyes Mascara. It's my favorite mascara. If you have short, sharp eyelashes like mine, this is a perfect mascara for you. Honestly, like, it's amazing. My eyelashes stay curled all day when I wear this mascara. It is perfect. And like it does not budge or smudge, which is amazing.
하나, 둘, 셋. Now I am blind. I don't know why.
That's the final look.
보지 않아도 알잖아 bad ending.